Hello, how you doing? Chinese style beef broccoli, really delicious. Let's get moving. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So this is super easy. Let's take a look at what we have here. So the beef, I've got a really nice ribeye there, ribeye steak. I've got 800 grams there. If you're going to use something less tender than that, this is going to fry really nicely. It's going to take a little bit longer. It's going to be really quick with this cut of beef. Roughly equal amounts of broccoli, maybe 3 cups there, 2 or 3 cups there. 1 onion sliced, 3 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 3 tablespoons of soy, tablespoon of ginger cut into nice sticks like that, and a tablespoon of garlic. We're going to add salt and pepper and a touch of water. That's it. Really easy. Let's get on with it. Okay, so here we are. You're gonna need a little pan or a wok or something like that. Got some oil in there. I'm just using a sunflower oil. We're gonna drop in the garlic and the ginger. Just wanna get a little tiny bit of color on that. Now we're on a high heat. The whole thing's gonna be cooked on a high heat all the way. So just a few seconds here with a tablespoon of garlic and a tablespoon of ginger. Then we're going to drop in the steak. Like I say, I'm using a really nice ribeye here, which I've cut into kind of nice long pieces, as you can see. And we're going to go just for 3 minutes, stirring all the time. So that's just 3 minutes. We've still got some nice red on the meat. And it's at this point we're going to drop in the onion. Nice big pinch of black pepper. And some salt. Not too much salt because we've got salt in the soy sauce and the oyster sauce. 3 more minutes. Keep it moving around. And the next step is to drop in the broccoli, which again I've made nice and chunky. Still got quite a bit of stalk on there, I quite like that. And again, 3 more minutes. I told you this one's really easy. So we've still got a really nice crunch on that broccoli. We're now going to add in the soy. I'm using a dark soy, you could use light if you want. The oyster sauce. And then some water. There's about 1 cup of water there. Stay on the high heat. 4 more minutes. Give it a stir every now and then. And you've got this one done. Okay, off goes the heat. You've got yourself a beautiful beef broccoli there. Really simple. Let me get that on the plate. We're going to add just a couple of other things to that. Okay, I'm just going to top this off with some dried red chili, just for decoration. I wouldn't eat those if I was you. Some sesame seeds and some green onion. Perfect. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you really soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for checking out our videos. I really do appreciate it. We're going great guns. We've got over 100 million views as I speak, over 500,000 subscribers. I mean, we've been going for some years now, but yeah, we're doing great. We're just banging away. Just moved house, so you're going to see a bit of a different kitchen very soon in the next videos, if not already. This might be on the end of one of the new ones. I'm sitting in a completely empty house right now, apart from this table and a couple of bits, because we've been so busy doing that. Enjoying ourselves, kids are fine, and yeah, enjoying life as much as we can. Now, if you do want to support the channel, and I really would like you to if you want, there's a link below for a PayPal account. Stick in $1,000 for me, will you? Every week, without fail. No, seriously, if you want to donate any money, even like $2, $3 or something like that, it really does help us out. We don't endorse any products. I don't sort of take sponsorship from anyone. Basically, because I don't think most of it's any good, to be honest. Not that I'm sort of not a capitalist, but yeah, if you want to donate, that'd be brilliant. Check out Rahel's channel, which is Ethiopian food that she does. She's doing great with that. All in Amharic, the national language of Ethiopia. Might be a bit difficult for you to watch. Chef June is obviously banging stuff out on the channel here, doing some fantastic Filipino stuff. He's also got his own channel. Again, the link's down below for that. That's it. Doing well, enjoying life. Hope you're enjoying life as well. Again, thank you so much for checking out our channel. See you later.